welcome back to Willy's channel. Here we are going to do another cooking video, and we're going to do this breakfast potatoes. We're going to do these potatoes and pancakes. The pancakes start frozen out, but we're still gonna do it. So let's start with the potatoes. They're washed already. James, can you stop? We already washed the potatoes, and we already microwaved them. We cooked them, and now we're going to put them on here. One potato. Two potato. Three potato. Four. Where do I turn it?
Well, let's cut them first, and then we'll put the heat on, okay?
Oh. Make the potatoes get cut. 3, 2, 1. The potatoes are cut. The magic worked. Even though the knife is right here, it still worked. We were just cutting some. Oh yeah, bananas. We had a little snack this morning, so we had some bananas. But that was so cool. My magic always works, so don't fear. Okay, now let's put the potatoes in.
Okay, you put the potatoes in. I got a little boy over here that's gonna show us some music he's got. Oh look, it's Jamesy doing music. Alright, starting to put the potatoes in the pan.
Can I put it in with these, with the peels?
It can go in there. It's okay.
But I like it without it.
Yeah, I tried to take most of the peels off, but leaving some on's good for nutrition.
Yeah, but Mom, can we take them off after they're grilled?
Yeah, if you want to.
Oh, look, it's a little spider. Potato spider. Whee!
So you look at
This way?
which one you want. We want this one here. So yep, you push it in a little bit and then turn. Yep, and then keep turning now that it's quick. Yep, good job. And put it right on medium on the top.
I can't see it because it's way up.
Turn it back to medium. There we go.
All
right, now we need some oil.
I'm gonna touch how much?
Just a little drizzle. Little drizzle. Gently, gently turn it. Okay, a little more than that, and pour it around the other side of the potatoes too, and we can stir. Oh, that's good. Perfect. Good job.
Is that perfect?
That was perfect. Now put that on the counter.
Was it a little too much?
Let's see. We'll stir the potatoes around with that. Gently, gently. Let me add a little bit of salt and pepper.
Okay.
So they're seasoned.
Don't add too much. I don't really like too much salt and pepper.
Okay.
Ooh.
The potatoes are starting to turn brown.
Now we're gonna start making the potatoes.
You mean the...
I mean the pancakes.
That's right, pancakes. All right, so we're gonna need... So let's do 4 scoops of this out of here.
Okay. Like this?
Level it off, so kind of shake it so it's flat.
1.
Okay.
Oh, that takes a little crust, don't it? 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi.
All right, good job. Now we're gonna need to get 4 scoops of water. Do you want to do the water, or you want me to do it?
You can do it.
1,
Mississippi.
2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and 4 Mississippi. All right, now use the whisk, Jamesy, and whisk that up. Careful of this at top. Gently, gently stir it around. Gently, gently whisk the pancakes. Delicious, coming home. We've got breakfast, we've got breakfast, we've got breakfast. All right, looking better. Got that good pancake mix.
But Mama, we usually do pancakes without a whipping.
I know, we're all out of eggs though. All right, Willie's turn to give it a whisk. You want to give it a whisk, Willie?
Yeah,
Okay. Let Willie have a little turn.
just a little. Alright, that's enough.
Okay.
Now we can do it.
Nice and gentle. Good job. Keep all the batter in the bowl if we can.
There's still sounding it's plastic.
That's okay. Accidents happen. We just make it right, huh?
I keep saying the weird things. I said potatoes, and then now I'm saying eggs.
You silly guy.
These are potatoes. The potatoes are done.
Okay, let's maybe set that on a flat surface. And we got some pancakes ready too.
Yeah!
Looking good.
Finally got these ready. Little top, right in the middle. So, yeah. Mom's cutting it now.
Cut up the pancakes for breakfast. It's almost time to eat. All right, guys, dig in. It's got syrup and butter on. Tell me what you think.
Wait, what about whipped cream?
We're all out. But they should taste pretty good like this.
I
Yeah?
like it.
Good?
So wait, kids.
Right. Why don't you try a potato, Willie, and see how that tastes?
Don't mind me, I love potatoes. Thanks for watching, kids. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye. Thanks for watching, kids. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.